how to turn off two-step verification on Roblox. So first, what you want to do is just go to roblox.com. Then once you're there, make sure that you're logged in first. Then go to the gear icon on the top right corner. Then go to settings. It's also the same with mobile. You just need to go to settings. Then go to security. And also on mobile, you just need to go to security right here. And just scroll down and find the two-step verification that you are using. So my two-step verification is email. So I just simply need to turn off the switch right here, or tap on the switch and just tap on it and confirm. And it will prompt you to send that code or put that code right there. So I have my email. So as you can see, it says here, enter the code we just sent to you by email. So I'll just open up my email and put the code right here. And now once I have the code, I just need to paste it. And now I can now verify it. Just simply tap on the verify button right there. And as you can see, it will automatically be removed. And that's how you basically turn off or disable two-step verification on Roblox.